what, they gonna start acting up?
Am I getting paid for this? Honey, am I getting paid?
Get it, cinnamon. Get it, cinnamon. Look, fix it, look.
We're talking about me going honey blonde. What do you think?
That'll be nice.
Honey blonde with green contacts. Here we go. No, for real though.
I wish I could wear contacts.
Can you see that?
I wish I could wear, yes.
I was just telling her, honey blonde with like blonde streaks or whatever, with like some gray. Don't do no damn black shit. No. That hazel shit, they be damn, that light is bright.
I know it's
That
bright.
hazel shit is so bright. Hazel girls, yeah, that's my real eyes. Yeah, these my real eyes.
This your what?
Yeah,
That's my ratchet ass cousin. Cinnamon gun. She said, don't say the cinnamon without the gun. Cinnamon gun. Right there, okay?
Sort of powerful enough to simulate the human brain, but we won't be finished yet with reverse engineering the human brain.
You're West Coast of it.
Its methods.
Bear went in the building.
One of my main themes
Hi, it's me. Just got done fucking with Skip on this shit. Can you whine? Being Bear in the building.
Bear went in the building.
Yes, where I'm chilling out with the Phoenix and Scientific. I know I look hella bright right now. This light is like amazing. But so is my makeup. But on the real, this is the exit time. How you stop this shit?
The speed of
Still pop ace king shit, I'm a rose, black laid back, leather gloves on that OJ. Steve Ross, rock my own kick game, 8-figure deal, figure how I'm court side of the clip game. Steve Ross, rock my own kick game, 8-figure deal, figure how I'm court side of the clip game. Steve Ross, rock my own kick game, 8-figure deal, figure how I'm court side of the clip game. Steve Ross, rock my own kick game, 8-figure Steve Ross, rock my own Steve Ross, rock my own Steve Ross.
Fire, how you do, my man?
Fire! Yes, the brethren them fire inside of the building. The building is the house them. So look, I'm still add this right here. Then you say, okay, we had a little bit of some mushroom.
On the card,
Put some mushroom
they
in
have the
there.
little thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little mushroom thing up in there, boy. I don't know why I'm talking Jamaican when I'm making teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, it's like part keeper. You just one for the Astro. I guess this is next. I don't have anything better than this.
So, I got my rice popping off. Y'all know feed. Always make the perfect rice. Thanks to Oli Boomy. She taught me how to do that. Hold on, let me take it. No, not the vinegar. Oil, what I need. Just this oil. Oh, that's the non-stick. That's the what I'm looking for. Yeah, child. Hey, no, looking hard.
I close my eyes and see your face. Love Mary Jane, shoot to the outer space. I saw protection. It's a new reflection.
I'm gonna jump so fine. I just put the mushrooms in, so I want the mushrooms get up in there before I add the teriyaki sauce. You dig it? You can stop.
Sneak that one? Let's chop it a little piece, sir. Yeah.
skills over here. Some of y'all need this music because that's all you got. We can do other stuff, man. Alright? Don't get it twisted.
No, they can get it twisted. It's 45 bucks a session.
See, exactly.
What side? So? Yeah. Just dread her. Start it, dread. You wanna have hair like Vanessa? You want us to do that? Make little dreads? Think that'd be neat?
Yeah, you're just dread.
Little dread like that?
You ready to get your hair cut? You ready?
Ready? You wanna go see? You look so cute. I love it. Go show your daddy.
Are you done?
I'm done.
Alright, so check it out, y'all. I've just been working on some graphics all day today. I'm just working on the Facebook banner. I also played some graphics today for Mega Genesis. Little download card that I'm making for them. That's the back of it. Hold on. Did some more viral stuff for Mega Genesis today. Did the band camp for them. You know what I'm saying? You did. Yeah. Yeah, I've been up all night, hands hurting, carpal tunnel kicking in, working on the website, American Monster Guild. Gotta get it cracking. So what's poppin', y'all? Saturday, sitting here back at the house, still dealing with the devastation of the hard drive crashing. That's why I ain't uploading nothing last week. I ain't did no editing, ain't did nothing on this computer, but I'll do some work today. Sai had a bounce earlier today. He out in Oakland. Shouts out to my boy Sosa Mischief. Hieroglyphics, he DJing for them, for OPO. And man, let me get on this computer and see what I can do. Okay, so I've always seen this feature on this program all these years, never used it, but evidently it's already a bunch of chopped up beats, sounds on the GarageBand that you can make your own track. So I'm about to pull a Swiss Beats, man, and use the program and go in and make me a track for the first time. You did, because look at him right now, he got Alicia Keys. I'm just saying.